Yes, it's still there.
So guys, Sarta6away here, back with another video on the den that we're building, and we're just going to see how it goes and then we'll continue from there.
What's up guys, so I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday because I'm a tramp. Yeah, anyway, we've put some more sticks in the roof, and we're just like, if you can see, we're like lifting this bit up so it doesn't collapse on it. And yeah, basically now what we're going to do after that is fill all of this with like sticks and shit, and then get stuff like this, green, and then put it over so it's like protected from rain and wind.
What's up guys, we've already just done the back bit, so that's all covered now, so there's no wind coming in, kind of reinforced it, so it's going to be nice and warm, because if you ask me, there's no wind coming into my house. Don't know about you guys unless someone farts. But yeah, now we're just doing the top bits and just putting a few bits over here, then reinforcing it like we've done over there. Then
Just gonna put shit like that on there, just stop rain getting through and
we're
shit.
basically done. And we can just start doing the interior and probably start building the outskirts of it as well to make it more homely. So guys, just interrupting the video here, we've so far done this half of the roof of the den. What was that just done there? Yeah, mate. And as we'll undo it, that's the bit that we've still got to do. As we come across, and look at that, just completely watertight to the end.
Watertight.
Absolutely perfect. Oh shit. Oh.
Jamie, bruv, what are you trying to do?
I want to walk across the whole thing.
Jamie, you know you like your light, but you're not that fucking light.
Oh yeah, I covered that since it was like all the way there. Like, a little bit flat.
Look at Jamie fucking destroying nature.
And you have.
Anyway, yo, so this is a quick update. Yeah, so we've got some like stuff here.
Zach, no. On the fucking app. What? Oh no.
Yeah, we could actually get this update, but James being a fucking spaz. Anyway, yeah, we've got this. Got this sorted, mostly sorted. This is top view, fam. Then, getting barely into my J's, pal. I'm not gonna lie, this almost fucking fell over. Then, this is what it looks like. Yo, shall I end it here, Jamie? Maybe we just cut this bit out, yeah? Safe.
You're doing that part of the
Ow! So this has been a Decipher 608. That's been Decipher fucking
69.
Down syndrome 8. Anyway, then if you want to subscribe, please do. It helps us out loads and just gets us, you know.
No, 10 likes, yeah. Oh, on it, we'll probably try and do gymnastics on the trees.
Right, so did you hear that? 10 likes for gymnastics around the trees, and fat bastard like me, not a chance. Anyway, so if you want to drop us a comment,
I'll be sure to talk to you.
Yeah, we'll respond back and talk to you.
If you're interested in videos and stuff.
Yeah, and
We're pretty cool at the moment.
if you press the like button 5 times, yeah, 5 of you press that like button, then we're gonna do an overnight camping fire.
Nah, 30 likes.
Jamie, we haven't even got fucking 5 subscribers, you spaz.
Yeah, it must. Yeah, but 5. What's it called? 5 likes doing overnight, then 10 likes do gymnastics.
Alright.
That makes no sense.
5 likes for gymnastics, 10 likes for overnight campfire.
Shit,
We'll do like a big vlog. Anyway, yeah, we'll do a big vlog. Like, we're gonna set up our own fire, get our own foods and shit. So drop a like, subscribe. Peace out, brother.